2027 Mahindra Thar Electric is shaping up to become one of the most exciting electric SUVs ever developed by Mahindra. Built to combine legendary off-road capability with the latest electric vehicle technology, the new Thar Electric represents the company's vision of the future without losing the rugged DNA that made the Thar a favorite among adventure enthusiasts. Instead of simply replacing the petrol and diesel engine with batteries, Mahindra has completely reimagined the vehicle from the ground up, creating an SUV that promises higher performance, better efficiency, advanced technology, and exceptional off-road capabilities. The biggest transformation begins with its dedicated electric architecture. Unlike conventional SUVs converted into EVs, the 2027 Mahindra Thar Electric is expected to use Mahindra's advanced INGLO-based skateboard platform, allowing engineers to optimize battery placement, improve weight distribution, and create significantly more interior space. This modern platform also improves chassis rigidity while maintaining the toughness required for extreme off-road adventures. Industry reports suggest the production version may feature up to 300 mm of ground clearance, making it one of the highest-riding electric SUVs in its class. One glance at the Thar Electric immediately tells you this is not just another electric SUV. The design embraces a futuristic yet unmistakably Thar identity. The signature upright stance remains, but almost every body panel has been redesigned. The front fascia is expected to feature a closed grille with bold horizontal elements, squared LED headlamps, distinctive daytime running lights, muscular fenders, and aggressive skid plates. Large all-terrain tires, chunky wheel arches, exposed recovery hooks, and a commanding road presence ensure the SUV looks ready for any terrain. Even though the styling appears futuristic, it successfully preserves the rugged personality that has defined the Thar for years. Unlike previous generations, the 2027 Thar Electric is expected to offer a more practical 5-door configuration. This change dramatically improves accessibility for rear passengers while increasing cargo space and overall comfort for families and long-distance travelers. Adventure enthusiasts who previously loved the Thar but needed additional practicality will likely find this new configuration much more suitable for everyday use. The cabin is expected to receive one of the biggest upgrades in Thar history. Mahindra aims to create an interior that blends durability with premium technology. A large floating touchscreen infotainment display will dominate the dashboard alongside a fully digital instrument cluster. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, connected vehicle technology, over-the-air software updates, multiple drive displays, navigation with charging station integration, and AI-powered voice assistants are expected to be part of the package. High-quality soft-touch materials combined with washable surfaces and removable components are likely to make the cabin both luxurious and adventure-ready. Comfort has also become a priority. Previous Thar generations focused primarily on off-road capability, but the 2027 model is expected to provide significantly improved ride quality. Redesigned seats with better lumbar support, increased rear legroom, panoramic visibility, automatic climate control, premium audio systems, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, ambient lighting, and ventilated seating could position the Thar Electric among the most technologically advanced SUVs in its segment. Performance is where the Thar Electric could completely redefine expectations. Reports indicate Mahindra may equip the SUV with dual electric motors, one driving each axle to provide an advanced all-wheel drive system. Unlike traditional mechanical four-wheel drive systems, electric motors deliver instant torque, allowing the SUV to respond immediately when climbing steep hills, crawling over rocks, or driving through sand and mud. Instant torque is one of the greatest advantages of electric vehicles, and the Thar Electric is expected to utilize this characteristic to become one of the most capable off-road vehicles ever produced by Mahindra. Battery capacity is expected to range between approximately 60 kWh and 80 kWh depending on the variant. With improvements in battery efficiency and power management, real-world driving range may reach between 400 and 500 km under mixed driving conditions. Urban commuters will likely enjoy even greater efficiency, while highway and off-road driving will naturally consume more energy. Mahindra is expected to offer multiple battery options to meet different customer needs and budgets. Charging technology is another area expected to receive major attention. Fast DC charging compatibility should allow the battery to charge from around 10% to 80% in under an hour under ideal conditions. Home AC charging solutions will provide overnight charging convenience, while advanced battery thermal management systems will help maintain consistent performance in India's diverse climate conditions. Some reports also suggest vehicle-to-load functionality could be available, allowing owners to power camping equipment, lighting, or electronic devices directly from the SUV's battery during outdoor adventures. Off-road capability remains the heart of the Thar experience. Engineers are expected to include specialized terrain management modes for mud, snow, rocks, sand, and normal driving. Intelligent traction control, hill descent control, hill hold assist, locking differential simulation through software, regenerative braking adjustments, and precise throttle mapping should help drivers tackle difficult terrain with greater confidence than traditional combustion-powered SUVs. Water weighting capability is also expected to remain impressive. Since electric motors eliminate traditional engine air intakes and exhaust systems, carefully sealed battery systems may actually improve water crossing capabilities, provided all waterproofing standards are maintained. The flat battery placement beneath the floor should further lower the center of gravity, improving stability during challenging off-road maneuvers. Safety receives significant upgrades as well. Multiple airbags, advanced electronic stability control, autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, front and rear parking sensors, driver attention monitoring, and structural improvements are all expected to contribute to higher crash safety standards. Mahindra has invested heavily in improving safety across its lineup, and the Thar Electric is likely to benefit from these advancements. Technology integration goes far beyond entertainment. The connected vehicle ecosystem is expected to allow owners to remotely monitor battery status, charging progress, cabin temperature, vehicle location, service schedules, tire pressure, driving statistics, and security alerts through a smartphone application. Over-the-air software updates will continuously improve vehicle performance, infotainment features, and battery management without requiring dealership visits. From a driving perspective, the Thar Electric may deliver an entirely different character compared to conventional SUVs. Electric propulsion provides silent acceleration, immediate throttle response, reduced vibration, and remarkably smooth power delivery. Whether driving through city traffic or climbing steep mountain trails, instant torque allows effortless acceleration without gear changes. Environmental benefits are another major attraction. As governments encourage cleaner transportation, electric SUVs like the Thar Electric contribute to reducing local emissions while lowering dependence on fossil fuels. Combined with renewable electricity sources, owners can significantly reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing capability or adventure. The pricing strategy will play a critical role in its success. Current expectations place the Thar Electric within the premium electric SUV segment, likely between 20 lakh rupees and 25 lakh rupees depending on battery size, drivetrain, and features. Although this makes it more expensive than the conventional Thar, buyers receive advanced EV technology, lower operating costs, superior performance, and cutting-edge features that justify the premium. Competition in India's electric SUV market continues to intensify. However, the Thar Electric occupies a unique position because very few electric vehicles combine genuine off-road capability with premium technology. Rather than competing solely on range or luxury, Mahindra aims to dominate the adventure EV segment, attracting buyers who want exploration without emissions. Ownership costs may prove surprisingly attractive over time. Electric vehicles generally require less routine maintenance due to fewer moving components. There are no engine oil changes, fewer mechanical wear items, and regenerative braking reduces brake pad wear. Combined with lower electricity costs compared to fuel expenses, long-term ownership could become significantly more economical despite the higher purchase price. The production version is expected to remain faithful to the futuristic concept while incorporating practical improvements required for mass production. Mahindra has demonstrated increasing confidence in electric mobility through its expanding EV portfolio, and the Thar Electric represents one of the company's most ambitious projects. Recent industry timelines suggest the production vehicle is targeted around 2027 following the evolution of the Thar E-concept into the Vision T showcase. For adventure lovers, weekend explorers, overland travelers, and technology enthusiasts, the 2027 Mahindra Thar Electric promises something rarely seen in today's automotive industry, an uncompromising electric SUV designed equally for highways, cities, forests, mountains, deserts, and river crossings. It symbolizes the transition from traditional off-road machines to intelligent electric mobility without losing the spirit of exploration. As Mahindra continues investing in next-generation electric technologies, the 2027 Thar Electric could become the benchmark for rugged electric SUVs, proving that sustainability and adventure can exist together. If the final production model delivers on its expected capabilities, advanced technology, powerful dual-motor performance, impressive range, practical 5-door layout, premium cabin, and legendary off-road ability, the Mahindra Thar Electric may not simply be another electric SUV, it could become one of the most influential adventure vehicles of the decade, redefining how enthusiasts experience the outdoors in the electric era.